that the convict breached the public trust and that the offense had a significant impact on the community. All the aggravating factors for a corruption offense that are listed in paragraphs 42A, 42B, 42C, 42D, 42E, and G have been exhibited in this case. The aggravating factors listed in paragraph 43, namely a corrupt intent or knowledge of the effect of the crime, B, the abuse of office for personal gain, and C, the prejudicial nature of the corrupt act, and then H, whether the act was committed in respect of essential goods or services, have all been established in this case. When I look at these aggravating factors, I find that they outweigh the mitigating factors set out in paragraph 43 and those that have been raised by the accused and by the defense, which I have listed in. The only saving grace is the public apology rendered to the appointing authority, the people of Karamoja, and the public at large. For the reasons above, I decline the request by counsel for the defense to impose a fine alone. The reasons for this is as follows. The highest penalty of a fine prescribed under section 21(1) of the Anti-Corruption Act, which is the penalty for this offense or fine, is 160 currency points and comes to a paltry 3,200,000 shillings. By all standards, that amount is inadequate, and I, at this juncture, wish to state that it may be useful for the legislature to consider or reconsider the ranges of fines that are prescribed in the law for corruption offenses. Convict, the Honorable Agnes Nandutu, is hereby sentenced to imprisonment for 4 years, contrary to section 21(1) of the Anti-Corruption Act. The period that she spent on remand will be deducted from the 4 years that I have prescribed, and this date runs on the date of conviction. All the iron sheets that were recovered, there are 1,585 as per the count of court on the 9th of August 2024, shall be returned to the office of the Prime Minister to which they belong. 3, I issue an order that bars the convict from holding any public office for 10 years from the date of her conviction. I hereby order that any amounts that she deposited for bail is hereby refunded, because bail has now served its purpose. All the sureties that stood for her are accordingly discharged, and any securities that were deposited for her bail are to be returned.
Say bye to my people. Okay.